Good morning, everyone. For today, you will be starting your first activity using AutoCAD Share A for drawing. So for a start, you will be doing your standard template first. I already set up a template for you to start. So the file name should be, just look for this. I will upload this in Canva. Template drawing title block. So once you open this, it will be, or it will look like this. So everything is already set up. I made a similar layout with your drawing paper before in your drawing 105. So your drawing should be inside this box. So what you're going to do to start, and I will consider this as a startup for you. So you fill in the information on this title block because you need this in your succeeding place. So all you need to do, because I already set this up, but later on, as soon as your activity progress, I will teach you on how to set up these things. But for now, we will jump up into the first activity by using the commands that I taught you a day ago. So here, ignore this one first because this is your first activity. First, focus on the information inside these boxes. So by the way, I set your drawing paper to coordinate, or with the coordinate of 0, 0, means when you check this portion, the coordinate of this is 0, 0. Right, so let me jump into this part. So all you need to do is fill this in by double clicking the mouse. You can input your name, complete it, okay, and then your course and year of course. Just double click it with your mouse. So let's say CE3, then so on. Go here, whatever is your schedule is, like 10 to 11:30 or 11:30 to 1 and 1 to 2:30. So just fill in this in here. So let's say I put 10 to 11:30, and then just add your code 605, 606 or 607. I'm making this video for all three. I mean the three section that's underneath. Okay, but for now I just fill in the time. So I already put my name there as default. You don't need to put it, and then you can put your date started here, whatever the date is that you started. Let's say for example today, so just put January 26, 2021, and your date of submission of this is on Friday, because I give you time. This is your first activity, so Friday will be 29. Alright, so 29, January 29. Like that. Alright, so this is your, actually I made this plate number 1 and 2 because I consider filling this in as your plate number 1 for a start, and then for this one I will consider this as your plate number 2 already. So for this week you have 2 plates, 1 and 2. Alright, so you will be doing this every this time, today, Thursday and Friday. So by Friday you can finish this. Okay, so don't copy this, I mean since when you open the file, you only find this template, meaning it's blank. This one I just imported this from my file. All you need to do is, because I'll be uploading the PDF file in Canvas, so you have to copy that drawing. So that the drawing, it will look like this. I will open the file, the same file that I'll be uploading in the Canvas. So the file will be like this. So all you need to do is copy exactly what is in here. Alright, so there's some error that I've seen. It should be here. Okay, so all you need to do to start with is to locate the center of every object. So as you can see, I put this center mark. See that? So there are 5 objects found in this drawing area. So all you need to do is locate the center point of our drawing area. So in order to do that, okay, you can draw a line like this, okay, and then here line also, okay. So that will be this one. In fact, if you see, okay, this is not exactly at the center. So the center of this actually is, you can find the middle point of your vertical line. So you can click this one and use the command move by typing the command M as move and enter. Okay, so you click that and then move upward. So once you set up your object snap, it will go to the midpoint. Okay, so that will be equally divided. Alright, so make this as gray color. So you go here, it is already set up. Then change by layer, make it a lighter color like this, color number 8, to make it lighter, so that it will not mix up with your other colors that you're going to use for this object. Okay, so once you establish your center line, you have to locate the center portion of your 5 objects. So I have given the distances here. So like for example, for this, we'll start from the top. This center point, the distance of that is 75 units. Okay, my unit here is in millimeter. And then the second object also has a distance from the center to the right by 75. The distance of that from the horizontal center line, it is indicated here, so 55. Okay, so how to locate those two points or locations? So using this unit, all you need to do is just bring this line to the left and bring this line, or copy rather, this vertical line to the right. So by clicking the line, okay, your command will be copy. So you will see this command here, the word. So you just click it, or you can either type only C and then enter. So now you will be asked for the base point. So your base point will be of course here. Okay, so click your mouse on that portion, and then you will see that when you drag your mouse, there is already an entity stick to your mouse. So if you bring it to the left, by the way, by doing this, don't forget to lock your orthogonal, the one which I mentioned a day ago. You press F8 so that you can lock your horizontal movement. So with that, you only enter the distance. You can see here that you have to specify the second point. So since the distance is given here, which is 75, when you drag your mouse to the left, just type in 75, then enter. Oh, okay, did not. So copy, again, copy, enter, and then drag it to the left, then you enter 75. Where is that line goes? The line is missing. It should be here. Again, copy, and then you bring it here, 75. It's there. So it seems that the line was locked in. So again, to continue, same here, copy, sorry, copy, then either you drag, you click it here or here, doesn't matter. So click here, bring it to the right, and enter 75. So there you go. So you already located the distance left and right, or the location of your object. And then you uh, establish the horizontal distance, which is 57. So again, use this horizontal line which you already established as your center guide. Copy also, and then click, drag upward, and enter 57. Sometimes it doesn't work properly. Okay, we will repeat, copy, and then here drag, then enter 57. Okay, I think something wrong. All you need to do is, if it happens, so you turn copy, okay, and then go here. So instead, because I think because of our object snap, okay, take note about that, because it sometimes happens. So what you do, you press F3 if that happens, wala naga copy ang mga object. So press F3 to turn off your object snap. F3, okay, look, you can see in the command line that the object snap is turned off. So drag your mouse now and try typing again, 57. So it is there. So again, as I said, sometimes it happens that the program doesn't work properly the way you want it to be. Okay, so now we establish already the two locations, and then all you need to do is, I've given the guide, which is a circle, to form your geometrical pattern. So the radius of the circle is 40. So you have to draw two circles with a radius of 40. So you do it this way: circle as your command, enter, then drag your mouse here as your starting point for your circle. So you will see now that the mouse cursor is not highlighting when I reach to this intersection. So again, you turn on your object snap. You see, now I can see that it function well. So intersection is showing, I just click it there. Object snap by pressing 3, but I will try now this time. So I will enter 40. Okay, so it works. So this one is your guideline only. You make this as gray color. Then just go here, so number 8. Okay, so that if you print your drawing, these lines will be lighter than your shapes or objects. Okay, so similar, you will draw also your guide here, the circle. So either you can draw a circle itself and then enter also the radius, which is 40, enter, or another option, I will delete this one. Another option is just click this one and then you use copy, use the center line, and then bring it here. painting. So there are a lot of options for you to execute. Okay, so you will locate the two positioning of your object. So we will go to the other three below. So here we have a distance 125 to the left and 125 to the right, and then you go down by 63. So we do the same as what we have done for the upper part. Copy. Then so to make sure, I will turn off my object snap now, F3. Okay, so sorry, I accidentally copy. Okay, and then I'll drag here. So object snap off, turn off. Okay, it's turned off now. So I will enter the numeric figure 63 as our distance. So I'll type 63, enter. So there you go. Our location is already here, 63, and then as our location, I mean distance, vertical distance is 125 both sides. So I can copy this, copy. So again, as you can see, object snap is turned off. Press F3 again. Oh sorry, why is copying already? Okay, copy. Okay, so turned off your object snap. So it's turned off already. Then I will enter 125. Enter. Okay, so our center will be here. Then you can copy this. So turn on your object snap to locate the center of the circle, and then bring it here. So this figure also has a circle guide, while this one has no, because this is a square. So you need to do is we have a symmetrical distance 125. So either you copy this again, copy, object snap turned off, F3. Okay, bring your mouse to the right and then enter 125. So we establish the center of the last object. So copy, then turn on again your object snap, copy your object there. Alright, so 1, 2, 3, 4 na. All you need to do only is to form this square. So we have a distance also. Copy the center of your square here. Similarly, place here. The size of our square is 80, meaning this distance 40, 40 from the center, 40, 40, like that. So all you need to do, take note, there is another command which I did not include in my part 1 commands that I shared to you. So you can copy, actually you can copy, but there is another one faster than copy. The command is offset. Okay, you type O, you see the offset command appears. Offset, enter. Then you are asked true. True is means your distance from this point to the next location. So since I mentioned that distance from this horizontal center to here is 40 and 40 down, same thing, 40 to the left, 40 to the right. So actually it's similar to copy, but it is faster. One command, then continuously you can do whatever you want. So I will specify 40, enter. So all I need to do is just click this line, bring my mouse up, so the line is there. So as I said, it's similar to copy, but no need for you to retype again the command or repeat. So then I click again, bring my mouse down, so that's the lower part of our object, that's the square. So again, for the vertical, we need line here and line here. So since the same distance, click this object, go to the left, and then another one to the right. Alright, So now you are ready to go or to start with your object. So we will start with the basic one, square. All you need to do is go to square. Icon of square is here, or either you can type square also, or triangle rather, not square, triangle. But of course this one is square because there are 4 equal sides. So all you need to do, turn on your object snap, click, and then click. So you have your square. So as you can see, I used purple color because I intentionally did it for painting purposes, because I specify the thickness of purple color with a specific thickness. So in fact that is not purple, named purple, it is magenta. So you can click your square and go here to change the color. So change it to magenta, and there it is. So all you need to do now is use line. As you can see, there are guides, gray color, so you can use that, like this one here, draw like that. To change that to gray, by clicking this one, you see this one, this is copy properties or match properties. Click this one and then click the whatever objects you want to copy to the next object. So like this one, we need to copy the color of this to make this two the same. So I will click this one. Okay, then you will ask which object you are going to copy. So I'll click this one and click this one. So they are of the same property already, same color. Okay, so all you need to do once you will establish this one, very easy, make line. You can start anywhere you want. Click, click, because we already set the object snap like that. Okay, I formed that one, so I will go to the smaller circle, either using rectangle, or you can use line also like that. So better to use rectangle to make it faster, like that. Okay, then you can change the color by using again match properties. So click the square and then click the object. Okay, so you will notice here that when I click one of the side of this center object, once only that I click, then everything will change. Unlike this 4 here, diagonal line, I click 4 times or individually, because the command that we use here is line, and line doesn't connect each other, it's an individual entity, while rectangle has 4 sides. So if you click one of the sides, it will change for the whole object, not one by one. Okay, so why my camera stopped. Anyway, I'll proceed. So for the other objects, probably I will proceed with another set of video because it's quite long now. So I'll stop from here, then just open the next video. Alright, so I'll stop from here.